Ngasigisidi chapter anobani unit so anoboy doini unit na kinematics mark yam chawi mark tara oy doini sejida chapter ani lakani motion in a straight line habama motion in a plane straight line oy targadi one dimension 1d do artoni next chapter the motion in a plane hay targana koi two dimension da lakani sigi matang di yingsi akoi kinematics haibadi karino haibado sigi mangkasi de yango in kinematics we study ways to describe motion without going into the causes of the motion gi object amna lengway matang da koi study tawdoini alda kamai tawge hai matamda moi motion no kanana tholino kaina tholino kari tholino haibadi daga ta aroi koi sigi causes of motion se sigi matang yaung taram taragadi akoi dynamics and tarkani aduna kinematics ay taragadi it is the study of motion of objects without taking into account the causes of motion yaudaba then dynamics ay taragana study of motion by taking into account their cause or causes of change of state mafam de lakpada ongido maramdo aduda kata doine rectilinear motion ganagi or misli straight motion na buga samana doini like akoi light ki mama maramda koi class 10 ga tamgiduna light travel in a rectilinear motion ganaga in one medium am khangadi straight line da satli gan haibdo dubu rectilinear motion ga haibne Nasi just brief introduction oidoini ejida khara yawe term khar yawe position aba path length aba displacement aba makhari yang siamo earlier you learned that motion is change in position of an object with time matam galoina na mafam amdagi mafam amda sa taragadi akoi position hong by doing motion lay by doing in order to specify position we need to use a reference point and set of axes akoi hangbe ai moirang se kyam lapi na mi aman har pe moirang di kilometer yang khai lapi har pe amana moirang di kilometer kuntra lapi har pe dagi om zuba aman har pe moirang di meter manga katang lapi kana da moi ahumak se loina mak chumba yai moina moirang on base kadai waidagi oli haibado adu takatai on bham mapham do adu gi dubu akoina reference point haini sige reference point je koi geometry dama matam na coordinate axis x y z kana ga lowidana x y z kana ga low matam jida sige mapa sida origin ga o ga lowdo this origin is considered to be a reference point mayamgi onba hobam do sinena lawaiba koina it is convenient to choose a rectangular coordinate system consisting of three mutually perpendicular axes level x y and z are to mutually perpendicular haibadi amaga loinama perpendicular oiba habani x ka y ga oire y ga z ka su oire z ka x ka su oigadamne they should be mutually perpendicular the point of intersection of these three axes is called origin and serve as a reference point si moi ahum kak na bham sibo koi na kai haire origin na haire and it serves as a reference point then mathang da koi na the coordinates x, y and z of an object describe the position of the object with respect to this coordinate system. Sigi x, y, z sibu akoi coordinate system haidoini position nama dakar ta taragadi si akoi na arrow ka sidai sidai bu hairo ne akoi gre sigi position je ta ku matamda x rom da kyam changzali y rom da kyam ka khatli z rom da na kyam no haibu dakar ta ai Sigi ahum sina akoi kai specify to we the position of this point. Aduni there is a coordinate x, y, z. Sina describe the position of the object with reference to this coordinate system. To measure time measure tangba, we position a clock in this system. Karam kanda no si layer mise, swaida layer mise karam kanda no hak layer di swaida layer pi hai nadra. Karam kanda layer mi hai bagi akoi clock am su dakar tai, time am su dakar tai, sigi times ya or this reference point or reference system along with a clock to tell times. We call it frame of reference. Frame of reference ay targeti XYZ coordinate axis में MCR ni reference system plus time with the clock. Sini frame of reference abse. Frame of reference is jo makan lay inertial frame of reference, non-inertial frame of reference. Sina makada makai chapter matang chana koi yan aksem. Then see khang targeti path length की idea खंग बयारे. What is a path length? आई तारगदी path length है बदे distance moved by an object to a point from its reference point. Reference point अमल एलिमेंट कलो maybe origin सिदगी क्या चली है बदो अदुबु सिगी distance बु we call it path length है बने चमचमना. Example अमा पीरी मानी यंगसी. Consider the motion of a car along a straight line. Straight line. That's a toriangu. We choose the x-axis such that it coincides with the part of the car's motion and origin of the axis as the point from where car starts moving. Car was at x equal to 0 at time equal to 0. See at time equal to 0, time 0 at time equal to 0 car is motion see ma pass le layer me my lambi siga koi x axis siga sana halle. Let p q r represent the position of the car at different times of instant. Consider two cases of motion. P q r kadai layengu p da q da r da at different time, maybe 1 time 2 time 3 at different position later. In the first case, the car moves from O to P. Then the distance moved by the car is OP equal to 360 meter. O dagi P bhav chale. At first case, time 1 sida 0 dagi time equal to 0 dagi time equal to 1 sida aduna haibadi O dai P buksi some 360 meter. The thari in terms of meter dani. The distance is called path length traversed by the car. Sigisini path length I say. It is a distance moved by an object to a point from its reference point. Reference dagi chalaga mafam du phawda chatpadabu path length hai. In the second case, the car moves from 0 or O to P and then moves back from P to Q. During this course of motion, the path length traverse is OP plus PQ equal to 360 similarly plus 120 meter 480 or any sina kaino P dagi Q the set. Reference point sidagi O dagi hore P da chatle P dagi Q ta na chatle. Sigi sini ko hai se mana haibadi suksang bamga suksang baga amu tinjanare. Second case the path length hai ta sine reference point dagi hogdoini dagi sita na salame dagi sita na hale pull up sibu koina path length and hai to 480 meters or pull ups. Path length is a scalar quantity, a quantity that has magnitude only but no direction. Haibadi akoi sai sida vector nangba tamakini vector haibanga scalar haibanga akoi thaina tamakibada scalar hai taragdi magnitude leiba direction di leitaba vector haigana kari magi magnitude chu leiba direction chu leiba. Example da speed hai taragdi akoi kaino haiba matam sida magi speed se 10 km per hour bu haireng khalo si magnitude khatani kadom sakki di tak the अखोई velocity गाना तौरानी velocity सिगी सिना कई नोई मतमदा scalar ओरकनी speed सिना scalar ओर मतमदा velocity सिना vector ओरकनी sorry vector ओइतार गति 10 km/h हाइरें खालो कादोम नाकन in which direction south लोम दरा north लोम दरा दरकार तारकनी सिना vector की vector की यामना फजने हेना मखा तमकिनी हौजिक की ओइनती vector हाइ तारगदी magnitude लेबा then direction लेबने न खनजी अलदगी हेनबा अमगा सुदका तारखिनी मतंग चान हायके definition से completely ओइद्रीबा but still हौजिकी ओइनदी sufficient. Next displacement यंगो displacement हाइ तारगदी कईनो हाइबा मतमदा मासु some distance ओइदोइनी but the shortest distance between the starting point and the end point starting position ga dagi ending position naigedra end position sigi khwaidagi naknab distance oidoine and it should also have direction. Distance adi khangi koina jamjamna distance ai targadi sidai jibuk chat base distance ama kyam lapi have duni aw kude aw kwa adagi displacement hai targana khenar kani kai khenar ke straight line si katang dadi manar asu yai adubu yengsebugo sidagi hauren khalo hauraga si tana salamaga maje sibom halen khalo point A B C distance hai targadi total distance की distance है तार दी मान हो इसे A दगी हो रहे हैं B द चले B दगी C दम हलक पने A B plus C B हो इधर नहीं distance क्या हम सब क्या है तार गदी displacement है तार दी shortest distance between this point and the end point हो इधर नहीं अधर तार गदी displacement means A C सी द लॉयर नहीं distance का displacement का क्या नहीं से distance will always be greater or equal to displacement. Displacement ga mana bayai natraga adum helakani mana. Displacement is a vector. Vector oidoini adu this in the definition mati mi yengse usida let x1 and x2 be positions of an object with time t1 and t2. At time t1 ga t2 ga leire adugi matuna x1 x2 na position le jadoine time 1 si da x1 le ren khalo x then time 2 si da x2 se le ren log doine mapa si da some time 1 si da x1 le ren khalo time 2 si da x2 le ren khalo adoi targadi is displacement denoted by del x del x and displacement denote aure sikai ga manare haiba matam sida is given by the difference between the final and initial position. Final position have the x2 duni initial position have na x1 duni sigi difference ga mane hai duni ambition re so I mutat se displacement hai targadi magi final position minus kari initial position. If x1 and x2 they hela adoi targadi del x positive tarni x2 dagi x1 sinong hendokra minus to origin hen tar adoi targadi kai dora negative lakani positive negative lakpi yai displacement sidadi because negative sina talak to je kai no magi direction duni karimta natte adunani distance dadi always positive ngakani dana. Displacement has both magnitude and direction. Such quantities are represented by vectors. Vectors henasu tamakini vector gi matang nasu yamna talakini khoi mathang gida the magnitude of displacement may or may not be equal to path length traversed by an object nasu haire dagi graph ki matang da, then speed ki velocity ki matang da, uniform motion ki matang da mu mathang gi da fazana hai ki